Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko makukuha lahat ng energy na Virgo sa mundo. So, kung gusto niyo pwede kayong magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Yeah. Let's start your reading. Open ako sa personal reading, astrological reading, pero guys, pag willing to wait kayo, mga next year na yung aabutin nung if you want to book a reading kasi masyadong maraming nakabook ngayon, so baka hindi kaya ng aking schedule. Sinasabi ko lang po kung willing kayo mag-wait. Ace of Wands is here. Ayan. This is your message. Queen of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, and the Five of Swords. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. King of Swords. Yeah. I feel like yung iba sa inyo nauobliga na magkaroon ng new beginning. Like, yung iba gusto ng new beginning, yung iba nauobliga. Or may nag-uubliga sa'yo, may nagsasabi sa'yo na gawin mo to, gawin mo yan. And it has something to do with the new beginning. Pero yung iba sa inyo, with the Seven of Pentacles, gustuhin mo man yung new beginning na yon, whether pinipwersa ka or pinipilit ka ng isang tao doon sa new beginning na yon, or ikaw ito na gusto mo yung new beginning na yon, medyo kulang sa budget. You know what I mean? Especially it's Christmas season, so, ang daming pinagkakagastusan. So, nakadagdag pa yon. But with the Five of Swords, you want change. You want changes. And you are like a lot of people is naka-back up sa'yo. Gustuhin mo yung changes na yon, gusto mo yung change na yon, and these people around you, gusto rin nila yung change na yon. Nandyan lang sila. And with the Queen of Swords, it feels like you have already cut off a lot of people already eh. Meron ka ng mga na-cut off na mga tao that no longer serves you, that you feel like kailangan mong i-cut off, or yung iba, pwedeng napilitan kang i-cut off. But, now you are concentrating dito sa new beginning na to. Pero, yung mga tao sa paligid mo, they feel that you are ready, but you are, sa sarili mo, feels like financially, hindi pa kasi. You know what I mean? Yung parang, alam mo sa sarili mo na, okay, emotionally handa ako, pero financially, ang totoo niyan, hindi ako handa. And, gustuhin mo man itong new beginning na to, might be, marami ka pang nakikitang kailangan din punuan dun sa ibang bagay na hindi pa naaayos sa ngayon. Okay? But you want growth. Yung iba this has something to do with money, career, etc. Pasensya ka na, medyo pangit yung setup ko. This is the only place na pwede akong makapag-reading ngayon. And ito lang yung setup na available na pwede. Ayan. So, the moon. Yan. The moon, the Seven of Cups, the Nine of Swords. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Pentacles. Ito yung person na kakonect mo. This person is very secretive. Marami siyang itinatago. Ang totoo niya, natatakot siya sa connection na to. This feels like a spiritual connection. Hindi na ako nagtataka actually kasi malapit nang magkaroon ng sa astrology, paglipat ng North Node into Pisces. It's like Pisces is a very spiritual sign. And sobrang, kung nasan si North Node, nandun si focus natin. And then in the near future, so in the, starting on January, so nandun yung focus sa spiritual connection na yon. Well, yung iba sa inyo kasi more on, yung nandito sa reality yung focus mo ngayon. And then there's this person na parang natatakot siya sa connection ninyo eh. I feel like you do have your Seven of Cups. So, marami siyang gustong i-offer sa'yo, or if ever ikaw itong may offer sa kanya, gusto niyang tanggapin yung offer na yon. But with the Nine of Swords, marami pa siyang problema ngayon. If ever na ikaw ito nag-offer sa kanya before, kunwari hindi niya lang gusto or wala siyang pakialam. But deep inside, there's this, gusto niya eh. Gusto niya i-accept the offer. I mean, I'm not talking about offer about love, but rather more than, more than that. I'm talking about partnership, ganun. Maybe an offer of partnership, etc. etc. So, maraming tayong nakikita. Sinabi ko more than that yung about sa love kasi, I mean, sa ngayon, mas maganda kasi yung reality, yung something na may mahahawakan ka or something na offer kesa sa masabihan ka ng I love you too. So, anong pagkatapos nun ano, 'di ba? Like, mas maganda yung something na, ah, you know, like stable or basta offer na ano, na matibay. Ito masyado 'tong marami pero kukunin ko 'to. Knight of Wands, the Hanged Man. You are waiting sa person na 'to. You want reconciliation. Six of Cups. Sabihin na natin yung iba, sige naka-move on ka na. Pero you know that this person with the Temperance is naka-move on ka lang sa emosyon mo na nasaktan ka. Or naka-move on ka lang dito sa person na 'to about sa kung ano yung naramdaman or naiparamdam niya sa'yo. Pero dun sa paghihintay, naghihintay ka pa rin. You're still waiting. You're still waiting. Six of Wands is here. So, nagfo-focus ka lang sa kung ano yung magbibigay ng victory sa'yo ngayon. And, I mean, I feel like this is your favorite person. Walang ibang person ang gusto mong makausap, makasama, makarelasyon, or makakonect ngayon kundi itong taong to. So, gusto mo siya. So, emotional person na to sa'yo. I'll take all of this. The Emperor is here. Seven of Swords. The Nine of Pentacles. Six of Swords. Ace of Swords and the Four of Pentacles. The Emperor is at the bottom of the deck. I'm seeing letter E, letter J, letter T. S. So, mga initials. And I can even see a lion here. So, I feel like itong person na to is marami kasing challenges sa buhay niya ngayon na wala siyang pakialam ngayon sa'yo, sa emosyon mo or what. Tinatry niyang ayusin yung sarili niya. Four of Pentacles is here. This person is trying to focus on money. So, kung meron man siyang itinago noon, I feel like hindi niya para sabihin pa rin ito ngayon. Like, with the Emperor, nakikita natin na sobrang ano nitong taong to masikreto. Pag lalo sa emotions niya. Hindi siya para sabihin. I feel like meron something sa nakaraan niya, sa past niya, shadow side niya, kabataan niya, na hindi pa completely nag-heal sa ngayon. Okay, hindi pa completely naghi-heal. And this person is tina-try niyang maging kalmado. Hinahayaan niya yung ibang tao na magdikta sa kanya ngayon, sa ginagawa niya, sa inaayos. May ibang taong nag-aayos or nagma-manipulate sa kanya and hinahayaan niya lang 'yan. So itong person na 'to, wala siyang pakialam sa'yo ngayon or eh, I feel like there's no communication sa inyong dalawa. Tell me about this. If there's no communication, the Eight of Cups is here. The Page of Wands, the Five of Cups. At para dun sa iba na na nakipag communicate or nagkaroon ng communication in the past. Okay naman yung naging communication. Nagre-respond yung person na ito. There's this feeling na, and I mean, this is sexually, parang gusto kanyang matikman. And this person, you shock this person. Naginulat mo siya, um, and medyo nag-iba yung level ng pagkagusto niya sa'yo. That's the feeling. And nandun yung gusto kanya matikman sexually, etc. Like your kiss, your hug, but more than that, it's like sexual kind of energy. A Four of Swords and a Knight of Cups. Yeah, this person is, wala siyang ginagawa, but deep inside, this person loves you. Gusto ka niya, mahal ka niya. And, this person is secretly spying you. Nag-i-spy siya, secretly lang. If ever, kasi nga may ending na nangyayari sa inyo, so. Someone here don't want to share something, so, pwedeng may bagay or may tao na parang ayaw mag-share dito, and that could be your person. Ayaw niyang i-share yung kung ano yung meron siya or yung mga nangyayari sa buhay niya, or if yung iba, there's a third party involved. So if there's a third party involved, ayaw i-share nung other person na yon yung person niya sa iba or sa'yo. And ito, Nine of Cups is here. This person, marami siyang nakikita ngayon sa'yo na parang nahihiwagaan siya kasi parang, bakit hindi ko to nakita noon? Parang ganun. And then may ibang tao din na pinagsasabihan siya about you. Kinikwento ka niya sa iba. So what will happen in the future for you and this person? The world is here. I can see you being complete. I mean, wala naman tayo nakita dito. Although naghihintay ka, sabihin na natin, naghihintay ka, oo. Pero you are accepting itong ending na nangyayari sa inyo. And the High Priestess, you are someone who is malakas na yung spiritual knowledge mo, and you have grown so much and learned so much about this connection. And sabihin na natin nag-end yung sa inyo, pero okay lang, you are the hermit, sanay kang mawalan, sanay kang mapag-isa, sanay kang wala siya. So bakit? Parang ganun. Ina-acknowledge mo yung connection with the lovers. Alam mo yung connection ninyong dalawa. But with the Hierophant, it's like, okay, kung ayaw niya, di wag niya. I don't care. This is you. Naghihintay ka, sabihin, naghihintay ka, pero hindi parang naghihintay na parang, pag di siya dumating, iiyak ka, parang gano'n. Hindi naman yung gano'n. Parang naghihintay ka, pag di siya dumating, bahala siya sa buhay niya. Okay? It's not my fault anymore. Kasi, you have, done everything na dito. No? Yung feeling is may ginawa ka naman. And maybe you have reached out or what, pero if there's no action, there's no action. So, para sa person na ito, in the near future, oh, no. This person, I mean, ayoko kasing mag-expect yung iba, but I can see someone here reaching out sa connection na to. The Five of Pentacles is here. The Wheel of Fortune. I mean, yung energy is that the moment na pumikit ka dito sa connection ninyo na parang hindi ka na nagfo-focus dito, ito yung moment na person na 'to parang nonstop or paulit-ulit yung pattern na nangyayari sa kanya. Like pagdating sa sitwasyon niya, may bagay or may mga tao sa buhay niya ngayon na parang nagiging dahilan na parang paulit-ulit lang yung mga ginagawa sa kanya or sinasabi sa kanya or what, na naging dahilan na parang mapundi siya or parang ayaw niya ng ganito. Parang I want improvement, growth sa buhay ko, and this is not the life that I want. So yung realizations na yun would lead this person na parang maggagawa ng action, and yung action is to reach out sa'yo. Just like what you did before in the past, puwedeng pagmukhahin niya na yung pagre-reach out na ito ay may something na kailangan siya sa'yo, but technically hindi naman talaga, wala siyang kailangan. It's just that yun lang yung naisip niyang dahilan para makapag-reach out siya sa'yo. Kasi kuno-kuno may kailangan siya pero wala naman talaga, 'no? Gusto niya lang masimulan yung connection ulit sa inyo, okay? So, yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Yan ko na po yung video dito. Maraming salamat and bye-bye.